Just a little bit. Yeah. We just eat very light. We don't put in a wine. Oh. And the thing we eat is with the wine, with some monkey. Oh, some snack.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm experiencing one of the most beautiful, delicious and rich breakfasts in Sicily. I'm in Ortigia, the historic center of Siracusa in the west of Sicily. I'm touring with the Sicily Lovers, so I'm touring the Sicily Lovers Tour, our group tour of Sicily, and I'm in a special location, a great 5-star hotel. If you want to discover all details, please visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com. We still have some available spots, 2 spots in the edition in September 2025 and a few more spots in the edition in April and May 2026. I'm enjoying a combination of savory food and sweet food. And of course, this can be also your home base in your private tours of Sicily. If you want us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily, fully personalized according to your needs and passion, please contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com. We will help you enjoy a memorable experience. From Siracusa, Sicily, it's all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!